Screen operation. The screen of the MeetSummer X1 receiver is split into upper and lower parts, each displaying current parameters and working conditions of the receiver and transmitter, respectively. The upper part can display the current audio track mode, intelligent scene mode, device connection status, screen lock status, and the battery level of the receiver. The lower part of the screen displays transmitter information, wireless signal strength, battery life, noise reduction, gain, and real-time volume bar. The color of the volume bar indicates volume level. Green signifies a moderate volume, yellow a slightly high volume, and red an overly loud volume. When in stereo mode, it will also show whether the current transmitter is on the left or right channel. Sliding down or to the left from the main interface allows you to enter the settings interface. In track mode, you can set the mix mode, stereo, and safety track individually. The Smart Scene function lets you choose between quiet indoor, open outdoor, and noisy environment settings. The Smart Scene presets include noise reduction and gain settings, convenient for beginners to switch between. The transmitter settings allow for noise reduction and gain setting adjustments through a screen slide. The receiver volume can adjust the listening volume and output gain. The phone's external sound can be set to play without needing to plug and unplug the receiver. System settings can be adjusted for device pairing, brightness, and language. This interface also allows for restoring factory settings and checking version information. Sliding up on the main interface where the transmitter information is displayed quickly takes you to the transmitter's shortcut settings. Sliding left on the main interface quickly brings you to the receiver's settings.